How to turn off or restart on Android phone without power button. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today too. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the settings application on your device, and after tapping on that, just scroll down and tap on additional settings. As you tap on additional settings, here you can see the option of accessibility. So just tap on that. Tap on accessibility. You'll be landed to a new page where it shows different options. So here you can see the accessibility menu. So just tap on that, and as you tap on that, toggle this on. So just tap on allow, and this will allow the accessibility button to open up on the screen over here like this one. Now just go back to the home screen and tap on the accessibility button, and you can see the option of power, and here you can tap on power off or reboot, and you can turn off or restart the device accordingly. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.